Should now be live on YouTube. Let me grab the link for you. Buenos dias. Good morning. How y'all doing? Let me see if I can grab you the link. Am I live right now? Maybe I'm not live. I actually don't know if I'm live. Okay, well, this is the link, friendos. You can't see us. Okay. Oh, I'm live now. All right, beautiful. There you go, guys. That's the link. Okay, sound check. Can y'all hear me well? Good morning. Good morning. Man, I need to figure out how to open up this, like, the YouTube studio. Like, why can I not see that? Better voice? The voice is good?
Yeah, the sound is good, man.
Oh, you're still here. Okay, I gotta get off Discord. Everybody, please go to YouTube. We'll chat there. All right. Okay. So, is the music good or is the music too loud? Let's lower the music a bit. I'm quiet. Okay. I should be good. My voice should be good. All right, everybody, how you guys doing? Before we talk about the brinks, I'm going to ask you to please, if you may, much better than Discord, beautiful. If you guys may, please like the video. Leave your comments. You know, do the thing that you do. Yeah, there is a delay, man. YouTube will have a delay, unfortunately, but, you know, it kind of is what it is. We got to do what we got to do. We got to do what we got to do. All right, sounds great. Beautiful. Guys, okay. So we got a big move coming as per the title, I believe. Now, yesterday's video, I talked about how we have the daily. Let me clear all this up. These are my levels, guys. For those who are watching this in the future or not in the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. The link is in the description down below. I give you guys my levels and what I'm thinking. All right, shameless plug right in the beginning, but let's talk about it. So in yesterday's video, I talked about how we have a daily cheat sheet entry potentially forming. Now, I also mentioned that we can come up and grab the liquidity that's around, well, I said we could come to 27K, but in actuality, we can come a little bit higher. I want you guys to know. You guys can't talk in here. I know. I need you guys to just leave comments. I'm sorry. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Okay, listen. I need everybody to know because there seems to be some misconception. At least I assume. People think that I'm just referring to this daily cheat sheet entry and we're going to go 40% down from here. That is not the case, okay? I've gotten a couple DMs from you guys. That is not necessarily the case. The important thing is to be aware of it. And remember, we are traders based on probability, and probability speaking, like this has some legs to really move us down. Okay, that doesn't mean short 100x right now and, you know, go buy a Lambo. No, right? There are other factors, and I need you guys to be aware and understand that. So let's add market cipher A to the mix. Okay. Yesterday's candle, if I pull the fixed range, this guy, yesterday's candle closed below the value area high, like we talked about in the video. Okay, this in general is bearish. Look at what happens when price decides to close within the value area low. We get to move to the upside. How many days did that take? 1 week. Okay? It took 1 week. Look at what happens when we close. Or actually, that's not a good example. Let's pull this range. I mean, oh wait, hold on. All right. Look at what happens when we close below the value area. We came above the value area and then we rejected it and we closed below and we made our way down, right? Let's even take the smaller range. Smaller range is not that good of an example. But you can see that with our probabilities, with our market cipher A showing us a red diamond, not a blood diamond, a red diamond, plus we have our potential cheat sheet entry. Now, guys, I understand that money flow is increasing on the daily time frame, okay? I very much understand that. And I'm not suggesting, again, to go 100x short right now. No. I said yesterday we can get a retracement. We could retest the value area high, right? And if we go back in time to the examples that I gave you guys yesterday, you can see here, for example, our cheat sheet entry with money flow coming down gave us a green dot right afterwards in which we pumped 7% and then we had our true move down. So what if something like that happens now? The whole reason is for you guys to be aware. You already took out a loan and did 200x short? Oh, man. Okay, I'll refund you. No problem. All right. So what happens now, especially because money flow is still coming up, right? What happens if we get a green dot here? We have a massive bear div, right? Let's say we come up to wherever, 30K even, right? There is liquidity, and I've talked about this in previous videos as well. There is liquidity here, right? This is liquidity. I don't draw trend lines the way that retail draws trend lines. I look at it like liquidity. This, and I've talked about this many times, these highs are ugly highs. Like, we never had any retest. Anybody that shorted, not any retest, we've never had any challenge, really. Anybody that shorted from this whole area was safe the whole way down. So what is the way, the number one way that the market maker can mess you guys up? Can take the liquidity? Well, no one's going to expect this. What if we get one more high out of nowhere? We get like a 10% day and then we run it down. Or we come and take these highs at least, right? Because a lot of the people that shorted in this whole range probably have their stop loss here now or even here. So what is to stop market maker from now doing something like this? Up and then down, giving us a bear div on the daily with the money flow. We'll have another second confirmed daily cheat sheet entry, and then we can take it down. Anyways, that was just a recap, a follow-up, I guess you could say, from my video yesterday. So that's something to be aware of, right? I'm not suggesting that we're going to necessarily dump from here. Now, we are going to be coming into the shorter term time frames and taking a look at what really we can expect. Let me answer some of your questions good. First, am I planning on doing lives every day? Yeah, I plan on doing lives as much as I can. It may not be every day, but for New York Open, which is in, actually right now, I plan on doing lives, yeah. All right, so let's talk about what we can expect. So that was just a quick overview on yesterday, but let's talk about what's going on currently right now. If we reclaim VWAP, okay, first of all, the buybacks have been so insane, like so insane that I am a little bit bullish right now. I have to say, I am a little bit bullish. We're going to talk about it. But the buybacks are so fast. Like, nothing can keep price down right now, or so it seems. Right? I've been shorting. I'm not going to lie. I've been shorting. But nothing, no matter what, can keep the price down from what it seems like as of now. That being said, let's talk about this zone here. Let's get rid of all the funky lines and let's just talk about this range. Is this, let's get this here. Is this the one? No. Where's my fixed range? Okay, we'll do a new one. Let's go from there. Sure. All right. So this is our fixed range right now. Right? We know that anything below the value area low is considered oversold. Anything above the value area high is considered overbought. We rejected from the value area high and we made our way down. And yes, we didn't make our way completely down to the value area low, which I do believe we can still do. For those who may not know, let me get the Discord up. Let's move the Discord over here. I posted this morning and I said we'll talk about it. I said this morning we have a lot of liquidity behind us, just like I drew on that larger term time frame. This is a lot of liquidity, okay? If the market maker's true intention is to move upwards, which it very well could be. Let's take a look. Right? We're testing VWAP right now. If market maker's intention is to move it upwards and we're currently in the Brinks box, which we are right now, now is when we know that they like to do their tricks, right? If we have money flow on the 12-minute or 15-minute, let's just say, coming up consistently over time, we know it's safe to assume, relatively, that we can expect a move to the upside, right? But who's to stop market maker from giving us one very quick last sharp move down to stop all the people out that are in this zone? Maybe not this low, perhaps here. This is liquidity. Everybody that's longed here has not been tested. If they're going to move the price up, they need your liquidity, right? Do they not? So if they need your liquidity, where are they going to get that fuel? They're going to run it down, hit your liquidations, hit your stop losses, and then very quickly reverse it. And we're during the Brinks box. Guys, if you like the video, please make sure you like the video if you're just tuning in. We got 27 people in the chat, and we got 13 likes. So please, if you don't mind, hit the like button, leave some random emojis for me. All right. Who's to say that that can't happen? So that is the perspective that we got to look at right now. We're at the psychological high, and the psych low is near the bottom. Now, if we're going to do very short term, not very short term, but very small range technical analysis on this thing. Oh, this was the fixed range. All right. If we're going to do very short term technical analysis on this, let's see what we can get. Is this? No. All right. We have a potential SFP of the low, which is a potential, right? We could hit it. For sure, we could hit it. We have liquidity that we can come to, but let's pull our fibs. Let's see what our fibs are saying. This box right now, and this is very quick on the fly TA, guys. This box, this zone, I believe I gave you guys in the Discord. Let me check. Yeah, right there. So this is our zone that I gave on the Discord. In addition to that, man, I thought I had all these. In addition to that, this is a, I believe, 15-minute demand zone. This is a 15-minute demand zone right here that has not been tapped. We front ran it. So, and it's also consistent with our box. So, what if market maker comes, rips it down, takes the liquidity, takes all these people off guard, SFPs potentially this low, dips into this 15-minute demand zone, and then bounces and gets the true move? We know it's not uncommon for something like this to happen, right? If we just go boom, boom. That is what we're waiting for now. That is currently what we're waiting for. And we're going to jump in. We're going to really get into like market cipher and the vectors here in a second. But this is kind of my idea right now, man. When was the last time you saw this? And then just bang. Like, these ranges have been very difficult lately because they're not really like, it's not that it's difficult, it's that it's continuously coming up and it's not retesting, which like in normal cases they do. So maybe this is the now the move where we can expect them to do something like that. We're going to dive in and we're going to talk about when we can expect it and if we can expect it. We're going to really zoom into the chart here. But this is potentially the fake out that we're being set up for right now. And it's important to be aware of it. Guys, kiss that like button for me, señoras y señores. Señoritas, please, if you guys don't mind, hit the like button. All right. So now you have an idea on on what I'm looking at, I also want to say, look how sad this is, man. I posted this in the VIP chat. Guys, I missed my short overnight by 30 cents. So sad. Anyway, that's fine. No problem. Let's zoom in. So now you know where I'm looking at. I like this zone. So potentially we could do something like this. And if this were to happen, personally, I would target. This would be TP1. This would be TP2. TP3, and then the rest would just run. Actually, I wouldn't even do this as TP2. This would be TP1. This would be TP2. Probably this would be TP3. This would be our trade idea. And then I would let the rest run because this does potentially have some legs behind it. Especially if we SFP. If we SFP, if we take this low, it's honestly even better. I don't know if we will. But it might be better. So we're gonna try to catch this trade on live right now. Should the market maker be a good boy and listen to me. Now I hope we're not gonna need hours for this trade. I really hope not. But yeah, we're looking at something like this right now. So let's pull up our market cipher B and let us elaborate on what I said in the Discord and why I said it in the Discord. Guys, when it comes to market cipher B, you need to understand something, all right? You guys need to understand. When market cipher B is looking like it wants to go up, right? Like objectively, like look at the money flow. This should be increasing, right? Price should be moving up. But it's not. Like, what's the variable? If it's like objectively, if you take away the price, if you look at market cipher B like this, you would say, oh yeah, it should be going up. But it's not. Why not? We got orders, man. Let's pull up CVD. I actually haven't checked CVD, so you and I are going through this for the first time right now. Let's take a look at CVD. We know that market maker's role, where's my auto button? Market maker's goal, not role, goal is to increase open interest over time, correct? Well, he's doing his job. Market maker's doing his job. On the 1 hour time, oh, we're not supposed to be on the 1 hour time frame. Let's come up here. All right, let's look at this right here. This is where we could have entered. So on the 15-minute time frame, I like using CVD on the 15-minute down. Why can't you guys see me? You guys can't see me because Gio, is there a way to auto adjust TR main? Yeah, I'll show you in the Discord later. And why can't you see me? You guys can't see me because I look like a bum right now. I'm going out tonight in Toronto, and so I have to like shave and all that, and I got to do that right before I leave, so I didn't do it like now. Anyway, enough about me, guys. So nice of you to ask. Listen, 15-minute time frame. When we came to, oh, this is actually even in the previous zone. But anyways, you can very clearly see on the 15-minute time frame that we had equal highs while we had lower CVD. So this was absorption, and that's why we had our move down. Now let's actually go very like into our zone now. My apologies, I keep messing up my time frames. Let's see what's going on. Okay, I don't see right now any divs on CVD. I don't see anything right now, so it's possible that we're still going to just continue the range until we eventually break out. But remember, when we have a range, what do we like to do, right? Typically, when we have a range, we sweep the high, we sweep the low. And then we get our real move. And the range expands, right? The range does like, so it was originally like this. Actually, it originally formed like this, right? When we hit the low, we hit the initial high. Then it expanded over here. So then this was our range. Look at how none of this was taken. None of this liquidity was taken. Then we stopped the high, right? We took the highs. Now is it possible that we're coming for the low? When we have a range, guys, we want to also pay attention to not just the value area. We also want to pay attention to the 50% mark. And how can we do that? Well, let me show you. Let's get rid of all this. Yeah, see, I already drew all this. Anyway, let's get rid of this stuff. All right. Look at this buyback, man. It's so bullish. It's crazy. Okay. Let's take a look. I mean, that could have even just been the SFP right there. I doubt it, but anyway, let's see. You take your fib from the low to the high. You put the 50%. So, anything that is above the 50% mark is considered premium. Anything that is below the 50% mark is considered, oh, whoops, discount. Oh, discount. Right? So premium, discount. We have not touched discount in a hot second in this range. So that's how you want to look at it as well. All right, let's see what the chat is saying. Wait, you guys can see me? No, you guys can't see me. That would be bad if you guys could see me. Anyway, I did record a video on Coinalize. If you come to my YouTube, come to my channel, go to my videos, scroll down to Intro to CVD right here. I will put the link in the chat. All right, let's zoom in. Let's see what's going on. Enough about sentiment and whatever. Man, look how bullish this is, bro. This is crazy. I'm telling you guys, nothing like they're really, it's really hard for us to keep price down right now. So it seems. So it seems. So we just rejected off of daily open and psychological high. We did get a bull div and we did technically get an SFP. Let's pull up our market structure. Now I want to like preface this, guys. I do not use this indicator exclusively. I haven't talked about it yet. People keep asking me about it. I haven't talked about it yet. But I want you guys to know that I actually manually do my market structure. I manually do my market structure. But I just use this for quick, like, so I can, get additional confluence with what I'm thinking. But, yeah, this is just, like, it just helps me see it in real time when I'm jumping through time frames and stuff. I don't use the order book. Personally. Where's my TR main at? All right. Come on, market makers. Show us your move. Show us your hand. I like lower, man. I do like lower. Let's pull up our zones again. Let's watch it. And let's hide the position because we know the position. Yeah, so let's go through the market structure now. So we already know we're behind, we're below VWAP. If we reclaim VWAP now, I will be a lot more bullish. That I will say. And to be honest, as I mentioned, it seems as though nothing can hold price down right now. It seems that way. So that right there could have been our manipulative move. We had the fast red vectors down and then followed up by no vectors, which means market makers are not selling in this zone right here. You have a lot of spots with little drawdown around 10 to 20%. I know you could not advise something, but is it better to switch that into BTC or ETH for now until we have a switch in market cipher? I don't understand. Wait, what do you mean I have a lot of spots with a little drawdown? Oh, you have a lot of spots, you mean? Like a lot of spot trades? Is that what you mean? What am I looking for? A change of character? Okay, so let's go through the market structure. I know I'm flipping around a lot, guys, but gotta do what we gotta do. All right, let's hide this. We'll add that in our group. That's fine. Okay. All right. All right, let's look at our market structure. So on a 5-minute time frame, we got low, high, low, high. Let's just do swing structure, man. Low, high, make it easy. Let's just do that. Okay. So this is currently what's guanin, all right? If we take this low, then we have a bearish change of character, right? We're just doing macro, man. It's a lot easier right now. We have a bearish change of character, in which case we can expect a retracement, and then we are to assume that this high holds. Right? So we can expect something like that. If we take this low. If we don't take this low right now, we are to assume that we are putting in a higher low right now as we speak. Somewhere like this. For a continued move to the upside. That is what we are to expect. Now, what I think might happen, which I've said on multiple occasions now, is if we put in a fast wick and a quick buyback, which will happen, I believe, then this like if something like this were to happen, or this, it doesn't matter how low it goes, but something like this were to happen, and then it comes back up, and we don't close the candle below this low, then that means that this does not become a weak low. This becomes a strong low. And this becomes a weak high. So we can take the trade and target this high. Bullish sign, this was investment without TA ground. All the others can answer the question, of course. I just want some thoughts on this. I don't understand that either. I'm sorry, bro. I do think we're going to come up, but I think we're going to come down first. If that answered your question. Is that Lux Algo? Yeah, that is Lux Algo. I don't use it. I mean, I haven't taught it yet. I've been back testing it. I've been testing it. I haven't taught it yet though. Set 27 420 because we love 420. Also 26 420. Yeah. Well, I missed my order this morning by 30 cents. Close enough to 420. Yeah, I sent the following message after the first long text. Cause you could only have 200. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, so you have a lot of spots with a little drawdown around 10 to 20%. I know you could not advise something, but is it better to switch that? Into BTC or ETH for now until we have a switch in market structure to bullish? This was investment without TA ground. All other can answer the question. Oh, okay. Okay, I understand your question. Well, honestly, it depends on what your like investment is in, right? Like Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't necessarily safe either. So if you're just referring to crypto, then like Bitcoin dominance right now is at 50, so it's relatively high, which means that if Bitcoin dumps, alts are going to bleed, right? Anyways, this is the important low. If we don't take this low, then we're technically still bullish. But I still want to take the low. But we also did just wipe the liquidity. Like, this is an SFP. So perhaps that was the fake out. We SFP'd these lows right here. Let's pull up our TR main. You see what I mean by the buyback is freaking crazy? Like, nothing can hold the price down. Honestly, nothing is holding it down. Literally nothing. It's insane. It's actually crazy. Seems as though nothing can hold it down. Okay, this is messy with this. I don't like it. Yeah, man, we're getting bull divs and bull divs and bull divs. Like, nothing can keep the price down. The 4 hour is giving some hope for the longs. Like, this looks pretty good, and I talked about this in yesterday's video. Right, we came down, we recovered the vectors. We have vectors above us. We're really just testing the 50 EMA. If we can get above the VWAP for the day, then I do expect higher. But for now, I don't know if this is the fake out, right? We're still in the Brinks. We know that the Brinks box can give us some cheeky plays. And if you look at it here, right now, whenever I see this, I always message the Discord and I say, guys, say hello to the market makers because they're here. Look at this. When we have this rainbow thing going on, when Pepper's in the chat like that, if you know, you know, then, you know, we can, this is very market maker-like behavior here. So you look to trade the weak high. Yeah. So what happens is when you have a strong low, you are typically targeting the weak high. And this works on all time frames. So if you're doing, wait 1 second. Yeah, this works on all time frames. So if you're doing, it even on like the weekly, right? Like in general, if you're drawing your market structure on the weekly time frame, for example, like right now, for example, like, look, okay, look at this. We had our low, we had our high, we had our higher low, we had our higher high, right? And then we SFP'd the low. So technically speaking, because we did not close yet on the weekly time frame, this should, in theory, be a weak high, a strong low, and we are to target the weak high. So you could long anywhere in the zone if you're swing trading, put your stop loss under that low, and then target this. This would be a huge fake out. What if we do something like this? We come down, as we did. We come up, we recover this red vector, and then we come down. We're at a very crucial point in the chart. Very crucial. A lot of people are bullish. A lot of people are bearish. What's the number one way to trip everybody out? That's how you have to think. You predict we're going for 26,100 and then up. Yeah, I can get behind that. That's what I've been saying too. Not necessarily 26.1, but you know, we can see my little drawing here. So we got liquidity on both sides right now. So what makes a strong high and a weak or a strong high and strong low? So okay, let's draw the market structure here. So if you have a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low, higher high, right? If you have this low, the low's job, actually we'll start it from here. The low's job, right? When the low is put in, the low's job is to take out the high. If the low takes out the high, then it is considered a strong low or a protected low. Okay? And then when the next low takes out the previous high, then it is considered a strong or protected low. So when it takes out the high and then it retraces, this would be, for example, a weak high. It would be a weak high, like it's not protected. You are essentially, whenever the low comes in, you are targeting, right? You're targeting the high. So it's a weak low. You're targeting that high, right? When your change of character occurs, where did my music go? When your change of character occurs, it is at this point, right? It is when this happens. At this moment in the chart, we have a change of character. And the reason now this becomes a strong high instead of a weak high is because, remember, wait 1 second, guys. All right, so remember, guys, this low's job was to take out the high, and it did. this high is not supposed to take out the low. Now that the high did take out the low, when we have the retracement, we are expecting a flip in market structure now. So this low's job is now not to take out the high. This high's job is to take out the low, because this high's job took out the low. Does that make sense? So in this case, so this is the strong low and this is the weak high. This is the strong low and this is the weak high. And then when we have our switch, because remember, this is a strong low, we took the high and this was weak in theory. But then when we broke market structure to the bottom, this becomes now a strong high and this becomes a weak low, because when we have our retracement, this becomes a strong high and we are to target this low. Weak, strong, weak, until we get a bullish flip again in market structure and we do the cycle all over again. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. It should make sense. All right, cool. Let's zoom in. Can I look at Rune? Yeah, I will look at Rune. But I will look at Rune. I will look at Rune in a bit. I want to see like if we can catch this, see what's going on with Bitcoin. To consider we take out the low, we have to close the candle below it. Correct. If we do not close the candle below it. Oh, wow, we're pumping. Okay. If we do not close the candle below the low, as I mentioned in that drawing, then it becomes a weak high. So like, okay, let's look at this, for example. Very, very internal market structure, but we'll use this as the example. This is a, let's just say we have like this, right? This high, this current high's job is to take out the low, right? But it couldn't take out the low. It took it out, but then we couldn't close below the low. So what does that mean in theory? That means that this high is now a weak high and this becomes a strong low. Does that make sense? All right, we're really pumping now. So when it doesn't take the low cleanly, and that's why SFPs generally work. You can target the SFP on whatever time frame you're on. So here, for example, right now we just SFP'd this low, right? Earlier today, we SFP'd this low, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So where's the high? The high is technically up here. So we can target this high at 720. We can target that. 720p. BTC is pumping. Yes, BTC is pumping. I mean, I told you guys, we're getting divergences. Nothing can seem to keep the price down. We're starting to get the vectors above the 50 EMA, which is typically a good sign. We might get now the retracement back in and then the continuation upwards. If we're drawing 5-minute market structure, right, we have our high, we have our low, we have our high, we have our low, we have our equal high, we have our low, we have our high, we have our low that we SFP'd, and now we just broke change of character on the 5-minute time frame. So we can expect a retracement and then a potential continuation. That's how it works. If this closes below 26,731 level and move down and claim the low, we would correct. Okay, wait. If this closes below 26,730. Okay, so if it closes below, wait, hold on one sec. I gotta manage my trades real quick. Okay, if we close below that level and then claim the low, then the high that would be created would be a weak high. No, that would be a strong high. So if something like this happens, if we close, like if we don't take this high, if we do not take this high, then that means like if we're like zooming out, market structure is like this. So this is a strong high. Well, we don't know if it's a strong high until we break the low. So if it happens and then it reclaims this level, then yes, then this would become a strong high. And then when we have our retracement, this would be our weak low, and this would be the strong high. And market structure, guys, is so helpful when you're like actually trying to enter trades, because you can do this on all time frames. Wait, Jason's in the... There's no way this is the real Jason. How do I tell if this is the real Jason? Okay, Jason, the real Jason DM'd me on Discord today. And, how do I see his profile? I want to see. I wonder if this is the real Jason. It'd be cool. Anyways, the real Jason DM me on, that would be the strong high. The real Jason DM me on Discord today. If this is the real Jason, what did you DM me? Which is actually, I was so random because you replied to my DM from so long ago. I DM'd you like 6 months ago. And you just replied. I don't buy it, man. If it is, it'd be pretty cool. If it is, shouts out to you, man. I really appreciate it. For those who don't know, guys, if you don't know, but I mean, most of you guys should know. But I bought Jason's courses, and he's the one that taught me how to trade. So a mix of him and Tino from Traders Reality is me. I'm their child. Hey, bro, glad you enjoyed the stream. Okay, guys, we have Jason Casper, actual Jason Casper, in the stream right now. That is insane. Guys, give me a random emoji in the chat for Jason Casper. If you guys love Geo and you guys love Jason Casper, give me a random emoji in the chat. That's crazy that he's here. Wow, I am absolutely flattered. True inspiration of mine, honestly. Nah, man, this is not a fake. I DM'd the real Jason Casper like 6 months ago. And that's what he said. Hey, bro, glad you enjoyed the stream. That's actually insane. Guys, the YouTube algo recommended me to the stream. That means you're doing good. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Guys, listen, if there's anything, I need you guys right now. You know how we do the random emojis? I need y'all to give a random emoji for Jason in the chat right now. Please, hit me with the random emoji. Hit him with the random emojis. And guys, if you like the content, please like, please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up on the stream. That's crazy, man. I'm like fanboying right now. Look at that. Mad love to Jason. I appreciate it. Hey, Jason, subscribe if you haven't, bro. Look at that. Look at that love. Appreciate it. Yo, I gotta write down today's date. This is a milestone in my little YouTube career going on here. Dang, look at all the love. That's crazy, man. All right, guys, back to it. So we have the green vectors coming up above the 50 EMA, which is a good sign. We are starting to break above the EMA. Man, listen, I said it. There is liquidity here. We did just SFP this low, which means technically speaking, did we close below the low? No, we didn't close. So technically speaking, we can now target this high. But we'll see what the market makers are up to. Put Jason as moderator, then you'll know if it's the real one. Nah, bro, it's the real one. Listen, I DM'd him like 6 months ago or something, and he just replied this morning. I actually thought it was a fake one. I was ready to tell the Discord, like, yo, there's like fake Jasons are messaging me now. It's not just fake Geos anymore. But no, it was like, I told you, I DM'd like actually Jason. All right, let's see. So we are getting the bull divs, right? We had the money flow div. Guys, money flow div, you guys know what I say, man. Money flow is king. I say it all the time. We had the money flow div on the 3-minute time frame while we SFP'd the low. And we retested the psychological high and the daily open. Now, the question is, if we lose VWAP, we might be in a sticky situation. Because you know that we are watching for this low. And it would actually be good confluence with the psychological low. We're in a very, like, interesting range right now, in my opinion. When you say close below the low, does the price have to close before the wick or just the body of the low? When I say close below the low, so right now, for example, this candle, we wicked, right? 26547. So if we close if we come down to 26547 and we close, the candle has to close below that low, then it is not considered an SFP. Or as Jason says, a CDW. You thought it was a fake dude? Nah, man. That was the real Jason. You get like fake 10 Geo messages? Bro, honestly, so do I. Man, I see it in the chat. Yesterday I woke up in the chat and there were like 200 messages like from random bots like spamming. I don't know, man. I'm like so new to this still. I gotta like, I told you, like maybe next week I gotta do some like Discord monitoring because or some Discord maintenance, you know. All right, guys, we are getting bear divs right now on the 3 minutes. So that is a little bit of cause for concern. And we just lost VWAP. So, I mean, we'll see. If we pull our fib here, is that... Yeah, that's our... That could have been a short right there. That could have been the actual... That actually could have been the Brinks box trick play. And then to rip it down to our zone and then bring it back up. Yo, you know what's funny too? I don't know if Jason's still in here, but if he is, hi. What's funny is on his last stream... He actually showed where he's getting his copyright-free music. And my past 2 streams, I got copyright strikes because I mean, I thought I had royalty-free music. Like, I clicked royalty-free and then I still got copyright strikes. So this is the first stream, really, where... But, guys, this looks like the Brinks box play, by the way. This looks like we're about to, like, RIP right now. Anyway, this is the first stream where I actually am using his music, which is funny because this is the first stream, at least that I know... that he joined, so that's pretty interesting. Like, if it wasn't already apparent that I take mad inspiration from him. Yeah, you gotta short that wick. To be honest, man, we're getting the bear div, so this could have been the fake play now, right? Brinks box play, fake up, down to rip it down now. We'll see. I still like lower. I said it, you heard it. I do like lower. Will be nice for you and Jason to do a collab. Listen, one day if Jason will have me, then I would be absolutely honored to do that. I would love to do that. Did I give any VIP codes yet? No, man. You know what? Like, I'm trying to refrain from doing the VIP codes on the live streams because people are giving feedback and they're like, yo, like, we can't, man, like, we want to support you, we want to watch the channel, but we can't. They don't have 2 hours, you know, a day to watch it. And I'm uploading every day, so, or every other day or whatever it is. Yeah, you need to put moderators from the whole earth. Yeah, man, my mods right now, I think I got 1 in Europe and I got 3 in North America. And I'm in Toronto, so I'm EST. You know, so... It doesn't really do me any good. I'm going to need to get more moderators from around the world. Yeah, man, weird timing. Yeah, it's weird. It is very weird. All right, man. So we got the bear divs. We are rejecting VWAP. We're coming back down below the 50 EMA on the 5. This, I say it all the time in the Discord, guys. This is when I say it right here. Say hello to the market makers. They are here. And this is the Brinks box. And welcome to the Brinks. I told you guys, everybody seems too bullish to me for my liking. We have so much liquidity beneath us. Now, that's not to say that we will necessarily come for it, but it is good confluence with our little idea here. We also have, as I said, we got a 15-minute order block down at the lows. When was the last time you saw this? When do you see price come up like this? Not really test any. I mean, this wick tested all these guys, so maybe. But what's crazy is up here. This is what's crazy to me on the higher term time frames. This is what's pretty crazy to me, is that really anybody that has shorted relatively the high has not really been tested. Like, there's a lot of liquidity up here. Nobody here got tested. The only people that got tested is these guys that shorted, and then they got SFP'd. Cool, but what about everyone else? So, you know, we'll see. If we don't pump, like, I would say honestly today, if we don't have a green weekend, then I will consider this cheat sheet entry confirmed. Like, we need to, in order to invalidate this, we need some movement, like, sooner than later. Which is why I said in yesterday's video, we got to pay attention to the 4-hour, right? This technically is a cheat sheet entry on the 4-hour time frame. So, but this is ugly, man. Like, this is so ugly. So we don't know. We do not know. Money's coming out on the 3. This might have been the Brinks box play, guys. Yo, listen, who's long, who's short? Type 1 in the chat for long. Type 2 in the short for... Or type 2 in the chat, not in the short. Type 2 for short, 1 for long. Actually, you know what? Don't do that. Hold on. Hold that thought. Let's get... Oh, whoops. What am I doing? Oh, I need to go on my actual account. Okay, hold on. I'm going to make a poll. I'm going to make y'all engage with me. All right. Start a poll. Let's say what comes first. 27K or 26K? All right, guys, do me a favor, please. If you like the content, please like the stream. Please give me a thumbs up and hit the, what is that thing called? The poll. Give me some poll ideas. Or answer the poll, rather. Wow, 13 votes already, man. You guys are sick. Today's fun, man. Today's fun. Honestly, I gotta say, like, Jason popping into the stream really really kind of made my week here. I gotta make an it depends option. Yeah, I will next time. I gotta get oh, whoops. I gotta get some upside down cow udder images going on too. I gotta make my own jokes. Okay, yeah. Let me check Rune. Man, the thing is dominance is so high. Rune and all the other alts are gonna follow Bitcoin right now. Like, in my opinion, it's not worth trading anything aside from Bitcoin. But I mean, to each their own. Okay, let's check short term. Okay, so I didn't do any technical analysis on Rune, for the record, obviously. And also, I'm not quite sure how it moves. But I will say this. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. This is like, okay, money flow on the 10 does not look good. 15 is a little bit better. You can see over time we are increasing. Oh, whoops. That is a fib tool. That is not my trend tool. You can see over time that money flow is increasing, right? And we know money flow is king, so we got to watch the money flow. Money flow is increasing over time, so perhaps we can bounce off this level. You know, we bounced from here, give or take, once, twice, 3, 4 times. Let's check the higher term time frames. I don't know, man. Honestly, I would not bet the farm on this. We got EMAs pointing down. We're below VWAP. Money flow is still not great. On the 1 hour time frame, we're still heading down. And like, direction matters with money flow, guys. You guys know I preach money flow all the time, but direction is down, and we're not even like getting any divs or anything on the 1 hour at least. The only kind of hope I can really see is that, technically speaking, we do have, if we do not take this low, we technically have hidden bull divs on the money flow. If we don't take the low, but like, we don't know, visual order, bring to front. We don't know if this is gonna hold as a hidden div, like, until the bounce starts to happen, right? So if at any point this price comes in, even wicks below this wick, then this hidden bull div is invalidated. And also, I don't even trade hidden bull divs like that. You guys know I like my regular divergences better than the hidden bull divs. No, alts are fun sometimes, especially the new ones in pumping. Yeah, alts can be fun, but they can also be super dangerous. And when dominance is high and we're in a very crucial part for Bitcoin, and it's the Brinks box, like, it's a little bit sketchy. With money flow looking like that on Rune, I don't know, man. In my opinion, it's a gamble, but it is what it is. Guys, if you don't have Market Cipher, I do have an affiliate link, and I have 20% off. The affiliate link is in the description down below, and if you use code TRADERGEO, you can get 20% off, and that is one word. You like the 4 hour for a little curve up, but it's all looking like it wants to dump right now. Yeah, I mean, again, it seems like people are too bullish, in my opinion. No, alts are fun sometimes, especially new ones that pump. Oh yeah, I already read that. Whoops. Jason Casper is watching us. Friendly Ghost. Oh, Friendly Ghost? Yeah, that's true. What was his name? It was Casper the Friendly Ghost, right? Oh, man, we should have got some ghost emojis in the chat for him. Okay, well, I don't know if Jason's still in the chat, but guys, if he is, drop a ghost emoji for our boy. Please and thank ya. Show him some love. I don't use RSI on Market Cipher B. I don't really like it, to be honest. It's not that I don't use it. Hold on. Let's come on to the lower turn. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, man. This is like, we're rejecting VWAP. This could have been our Brinks box play. Right? That could have been our short there. We've been talking all morning about coming down to here. So that very well could have been the play. Maybe we see some blood on the streets. I mean, no, we don't. YouTube, sorry, don't demonetize me. I didn't mean it. I meant ketchup. Ketchup on the streets. Yeah, no, I don't use the RSIs. I mean, like, yo, okay, look. I'll tell you why I don't like the RSIs. Let me explain why. Right? So if we put our RSIs on, we're like this, right? First of all, in my opinion, there's nothing in the RSIs that show me what the waves, what our momentum waves do not show me. Your RSI will show you momentum, and it will show you, you know, overbought, oversold, and it'll show you divergences. So I can already see that. I also have the VWAP, which, you know, helps me see that. This is my beef with the RSI. Let me tell you my beef, and I've explained this before, okay? My beef with the RSI is if price is pumping beyond belief. Let me try to see if I can find an example for you guys. Okay. Was price pumping here? Okay, I'm gonna use this as an example. It is not the best example, but I want you guys to just like kind of follow me here. Let me tell you why I don't like the RSI. When the RSI is pumping beyond belief, unlike the momentum waves and the VWAP and everything else, your RSI kind of is just glued to either overbought or oversold territory. Okay? This doesn't really do me like that good, right? Whereas the waves will give me more momentum, I guess. I will see it better, and with the money flow and the VWAP, than just the RSIs. Like when we're pumping, like when we're in a bull market, if this is your 100 line and that's your 0 line, your RSI will literally be like this. It'll literally just be up here the whole time. Like, that doesn't do me any good. So I don't really use it. I sometimes will toggle it on and off, but typically I don't really use it. And man, when you're doing, you know, TA on the fly and you're watching CVD and you're watching, you know, your psych levels and your vector candles and your market Cipher B, like, it's just one extra thing that, in my opinion, can like kind of just fog up your, what's the word I'm looking for? Perspective, right? Your bias. We'll say your bias. It can just fog up your bias. So for that reason, like, I'm not too keen on it, if I'm being honest with you. Guys, if you have not liked the stream already, which a lot of you have, we got 42 likes. We got 51 watching right now. If I can get to 50 likes, man, you guys will make my weekend, and I'll really appreciate that. Where do I currently get my music? I currently get my music from Jason Casper's stream, so I get it from him. I got it from him in the last stream. Crazy timing. All right, man. Give us the move already. We are bored. Well, I'm bored. I don't know about you guys. My throat is... Man, streaming every day for hours. On Wednesday, I streamed for like 4 hours total between the Discord and on YouTube. And like my voice was absolutely shot. Absolutely shot. Let me see if I can change up the song here. Without getting any copyrights, man. So annoying, these copyrights. All right, let's do this one. Same idea, but you know, same YouTube channel. All right, so half of you guys think 27 comes first, half of you guys think 26 comes first. Interesting. Now the question is, you guys know I like to teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. So if any one of you guys that left that poll, if I asked you, if I DM'd you on Discord and I'm like, why do you think that? You guys better have like this, and this reason. And if I say, okay, but what about this? Does this invalidate it? You guys better have an answer for me. OP is in the 1 hour golden pocket. My throat is hurting. Yeah, man, because I talk all day and I'm also a singer, so I'm very loud. I sing, I scream all day. So yeah, man. Yeah, we got some tricky behavior here, to be honest with you. Very tricky behavior going on. To be honest, man, like the last, I'm gonna even say 2-3 months, relatively, like have sucked. This range sucks. I don't like it. There's a channel on YouTube called No Copyright Music. I think you can get some great ones. Yo, one of my first videos, I put the I did a no copyright thing playlist, and then I still got copyrighted. So I don't really know. Duper, what's the VIP code in last night's video? Here, let me get the code for you. My VIP code is 8842. And actually, I got to see what my mods are saying. Let me move it off screen. Wow, guys, listen. Jason joined the Discord. Man, that's insane. Yo, listen, I want to take a quick moment, and you guys know, like, I've made some appreciation towards these guys, but yo, I started this whole thing in April, and how far I've come in just how many months is that? 5 months is pretty mind-blowing. You guys are super supportive to me, and I really appreciate it. And you guys know, man, I talk like that all the time, so I'm very grateful for you guys, and I'm very humbled to be on this journey with you. It's fun, man, until I purge you guys again. Gio, you a DJ? I could put some sounds together. Man, I used to produce music for a while, and I don't know, I got bored of trying to listen to the slight differences between snare drums, and I'm like, nah, I'm not doing it. Yeah, man, I'm a singer. You guys know that, bro. My dog, you know that. Can I make a tutorial on Market Cipher A and SR? Yeah, I will. I absolutely will. I have a whole content like calendar, I guess. So I got a lot of videos that I got to do for you guys. What do I like to sing? Give us some acapella. Bro, if I don't stream for like a week and my voice can get back to not being raspy, then I absolutely will sing for you guys. Man, I sing for you guys on live all the time. I'm singing all day. But I like singing pop music, and I have my own originals too. And when those are ready to come out, which I'm not really focused on right now, I will absolutely shill the links to you guys. I posted this in the Discord in the Forex thread, but there's a legit cheat sheet entry on Euro USD monthly, and the fundamentals are showing reasons to believe that Euro could be getting crushed. What is it, Euro USD? All right, let's take a look at Euro USD. Now, I don't trade Forex. I do not trade Forex, but I kind of am interested in dabbling into Forex quite a bit. Oh, man, yeah, this is... Yeah, guys, this is... I don't need much analysis here to see that this is a cheat sheet entry and a half. Money flows increasing in the red, so I guess decreasing. Money flow's coming out over time. We got the red dot above the 0 line. We're retracing into the 50 EMA, and we got the green vectors beneath us. So we got liquidity that we can come and grab. This is a cheat sheet entry AF. So good signal, duper. How do I get to the bot to give the VIP Discord? Let me show you where the bot is. So, guys, this is what you need to do. And I'm going to give you guys the VIP Discord again because I'm so nice. I'm going to give you guys the code. So, you come to... You're in the general chat, whatever it may be, okay? You're in the general chat. You come to the bot, right? Here, GeoBot. Actually, let me show you how to enter VIP. And also, shouts out to my developer that did this for me. But, like... Tell me this doesn't look like iRobot, first of all, okay? Before I answer that question. You guys know, like, iRobot? Like, if I come here and I go iRobot... Oh, that's not iRobot. Like, you know the Will Smith movie? Like, okay, come on. I am literally iRobot. Like, that is literally me. Anyways, I didn't do this. My developer did that. Anyway, whatever. Enough about that. So, you're in the general chat, whatever. On the right here, you can see GeoBot. He has to be online, and your DMs have to be open for mutual servers, or sorry, for people in mutual servers. Okay, you click on you click on GeoBot and you text him the code. What is my code? Okay, so this video's code is 8842. I'm not gonna make a new one. 88. So you're gonna go 8842. You're gonna DM the bot, and then he's gonna say you've been granted VIP access. Then you have access to my VIP section where I give my levels and I give the cheat sheet entries, and you guys can, you know, all that. The idea behind that is to, I'm sorry, it is what it is, manipulate my watch time a little bit because the codes are found within the YouTube videos. So that way, number one, you're forced to learn, and number two, I'm a little bit manipulating my my watch time by doing so. But I'm giving you guys value for free, so you know that's how you can enter it. And then after every video, you guys get what I call VIP purged, and you all get wiped. And then when the new video comes out, you send the bot the new video. kind of how it works. You should trade Forex. To be honest, I've kind of been thinking about it. I kind of want to. Like, the liquidity in Forex is so good, but to be honest, like, I don't know. Crypto's doing me well so far, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it, as they say. Yeah, man, I sing, bro. I'm not gonna sing right now, guys. I'm not gonna sing right now. I'm not gonna do that. I need my voice. I need to get some nice hot tea with lemon and ginger, and then like take a weekend off, and then I'll sing for you guys. What's my motivational idol, or who do I want to be singing off of? Man, to be honest, like, y'all are gonna call me cheesy, but I like Justin Bieber. Here, you want to hear me sing? I'll show you guys me real quick. Let me pause the music. Let me make sure you guys can see the screen. All right, okay.
All right, y'all. This one's for everyone that stuck by me over the years. I love you. I appreciate you. And I miss you. Let's get it. Me and all my friends were all misunderstood. And they say we stand for nothing. And there's no way that we ever could. Now we see everything going wrong in the world, and those who did it. We just feel like we don't have the same means to rise above and beat it. So we keep on waiting, waiting on the world to change. We keep on waiting, waiting on the world to change.
Man, I'm singing all day. I'll do one more. La 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 la. I don't want like any I don't want like things that I don't want to get copyrighted for this, actually. Here, I'll do one more.
Your touch blurred my vision. It's your world and I'm just in it. Even sober, I'm not thinking straight. 'Cause I'm off my face, in love with you. I'm out my head, so into you. And I don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you.
Anyway, enough of that. You guys might get that live if you want it, but for now, we're gonna we're not gonna do that. Let's put the music back on. I'm not shy or anything either. It's literally just my throat is like super broken at the moment. Thank you guys. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Signs to the dump. Are we dumping? Are we gonna dump? I don't know, man. 12 and 15 are looking pretty groovy to the upside. But, man, we're like this is such ugly price action. No, I can't get copyrighted if I have a song on my own, but the background, like the instrumentals are official instrumentals. So, you know, I don't know if they're going to take from that. Like, I don't know if they're going to say copyright because I'm taking the instrumental. Gio, you're my second favorite Canadian. Want to know who's your first? Yeah, who's your first? Just followed my TikTok. Thanks. I don't actually post on it anymore. Make the Market Cipher song. You want me to sing Market Cipher? Bullish on that voice. Thank you, man. Thank you, guys. Listen, I have my own music, so when that comes out, I will for sure let you guys know. Bro, who's your favorite Canadian? I'm very curious. I'm waiting for the answer. I'm all itty and giddy. Yeah, but thank you guys. Thank you. You got that Stevie Wonder type flow? Thanks, man. Thank you guys. Thank you. Geo, The Weeknd, and Drake. Yo, listen, I saw The Weeknd in concert yesterday. Not yesterday. What's wrong with me? Last year. And it was like such an incredible concert. Bro, to be honest, it was changed my life, honestly. I was like, okay, yo, one day I'm going to be on this stage. Like, I have to. Okay, I need to get rid of these RSIs because they're so ugly. Goodbye. Goodbye, RSI. Goodbye, RSI. Probably Drake. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of Drake. I'm sorry, man. When you're from Toronto and everybody talks the same and can't formulate their own opinions, like you start to hate Drake for that reason. Like anything Drake says, people just follow like it's a religion, and it's annoying. Everybody in Toronto is the exact same. I don't even know who Tom Green is, if I'm being honest with you. Need pump music? Yo, we need, guys, this, I don't know if I could do this. So I'm saying, I'm not trying to get more copyrights, but the Donkey Kong Jungle Jape, this video, which on the Discord live stream, we played this. Man, this is so fire. I'm gonna get everybody to comment on this guy's video and tell him to, like, I don't know if there are rights or whatever, but to give me the rights for it. Give it to me. Bro, he's dropping one last album. Who is, Tom Green or Drake? Oh, Ryan Reynolds. I put on for my city, I put on for my... Am I long, bro? And from where? I am long. I'm actually schlong, man. I'm short from higher, which is the P&L shot that you can see in the thumbnail. And I am short. I mean, to be honest, I shorted from 24.9. And I've kind of been adding to it. Yeah, Nintendo is a sniper for copyright. And so is Disney. Disney is too. Yeah, The Weeknd is fire. What's my Instagram? I don't even use Instagram, man. So my Instagram got they took my Instagram away from me. They stole my Instagram. The Matrix attacked me. No, they didn't. YouTube, I take that back. Don't ban me. Yeah, but oh, The Weeknd is doing one last album? That's so sad. Anyway, wow, that's actually very upsetting. Wasn't he changing his, like, alias or whatever? Like, I think, like, he's changing his name or something to another alias. Anyway. Yeah, my Instagram, they like, I don't know. It got taken away back in April, so I'm just like, okay, yo, we're done. Like, I don't really use it anymore. You met him in Manchester? That's cool. I never really met, like, a big celebrity like that. Not really, anyways. All right, we got VWAP and 50 EMA right now. If we're going to hold, it needs to hold this. If we take this low, this is not good. This low right now, current very local market structure is up. Oh, where's my this tool? Is up, down, up. If we take this low, that is not good at all. Right now, this is a weak high. This is well, it's not a strong low yet. We got to see. If we take this low, it's not good. This is a very important price right now. Is 26583. Very important. I like this this music. Like this video. I kind of enjoy it. Gio, when I move to Florida, we're making music. I'm down, bro. I'm down. As long as you don't make me listen to like the very minor differences between snare drums in production, then I'm down. I'll write. I sing and songwrite, so I'll write, but I'm not gonna produce. Like, I did that for years, and I'm not down. Guys, don't talk about the M word, okay? I slipped it by accident. And yeah, we don't want to talk about that. I'm not trying to get, like, blacklisted. Yeah, he's probably just gonna do a different alias, which is just Abel, and then, like, it'll be a different style of music. Imagine him doing, like, Screamo. That'd be funny. That'd actually be super funny. Guys, if you haven't liked the stream, please make sure you like and subscribe. We are doing daily live streams, and I teach you guys how to trade. I give you guys value, and I think I'm a nice guy, so, you know, if you may, do me the favor, please. I also have a Market Cipher link in the description down below if you'd like to support me. You can purchase Market Cipher, and you can use my discount code for 20% off on Market Cipher, which I would really appreciate. And then this is the last shill, guys, I swear. I'm also an affiliate with MEXC. This is the exchange that I use. The cheapest fee is 0.01. Taker fee is 0.00%. Maker fee, the cheapest exchange that you can get on fees. Use MEXC. Use my referral code 1IHOHO. IHOHO. It's like IHOP. Man, this should have been a P. They're dumb. They didn't think about it. 1IHOHO. And, yeah, you guys can help support me by doing that. And you guys get some, like, deposit bonuses and stuff, too. See? That's what you get. If you deposit 500, you get 10 bucks. What a good ROI, right? That's like a 0. I don't even know, 0.005 risk to reward. Who wouldn't take that trade? 0.005%. It's the best trade you can get. So, guys, yeah, these are my links. I'm done shilling. Y'all know what to do. 15-minute chart looks so boring. Looks like weekend price action. Well, it is Friday, but I do think that in order for price to be saved, we need to have a move like relatively this weekend. Because we got the daily cheat sheet entry and it's looking pretty scary. So you guys know I said it. You heard it. I said it and it's recorded. I can't take it back. I think a lot of people are too bullish right now. That doesn't mean we can't come up. In yesterday's video, I did say I expect to potentially come back up to 27K. But we need some fire here. Like, we need something to happen, like, soon. Like, in the next 2 days. We need something. We need these vectors to be recovered. How do I get money from MEXC? I get money from MEXC by people signing up. I get a commission based on your signups. And then what happens is whatever trading volume you're using, you pay fees on, correct? Instead of that entire fee going to MEXC, the fee comes to me and MEXC. So basically, let's just say you're paying $10 in fees. I get $5. They get $5. So it doesn't cost anything more to you, but the money comes in my pocket. And in my opinion, it's better in my pocket than it is in their pocket. Yeah, the link is in the description down below. Let me... Oh, it's not in the description. Okay, 1 second. Let me get you guys the link. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. All right, let's see. Analytics. No, not analytics. Wow, how bad of me to do that. Oh, man, this is looking ugly. Okay, I'll give you guys the link in just a second. Hold on. Uno momento. This is getting ugly, man. This looks like it could have been the Brinks box play. I don't know. We shall see. I'm telling you, if we take 26,579, I am not going to be too pleased with the longs. Not going to be too pleased. Guys, do you think I can pull off a British accent? Not going to be too pleased. Do you know what I mean, lad? You know Paddy the Baddy, how he goes, you're an effing crab. Wish you didn't do KYC already with them. I also wish you didn't do KYC, bruv. Agreed. My pocket, their pocket. Then that's what I'm saying. I've been saying that. Guys, if you haven't answered the poll, please go do so. Appreciate y'all. And we're 1 like away from 50, man. Can someone make a new YouTube account and like the video for me just so we can get at 50? I would be eternally grateful. All right, let me get the link for you guys. I goofed by not giving you guys the link. I thought I had it. My bad. Give me a second here. Uno momento. At least you're teaching us for so you deserve that fee. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Oh, my British accent is too cute. Am I supposed to be more mean about it? You're a crab, lad. Woo! I'm never doing that again. Okay, hold on. Too many things are going on right now. All right, let me give you guys the link. Let me see that. Yo, I am really vibing with with this music right now. I like this one better than the other one. Okay, guys, the Mexi link is pinned in the chat. So please go and sign up with my Mexi link. I appreciate you guys. I sound like a gay Brit. Man, I don't know. What do you want? Like, I just work here, man. I don't know, okay? I literally just work here. Oh man, how long has this stream been on, guys? I gotta get off, man. My voice. I need my weekend. I need my voice for the weekend so that I can lose it this weekend, because we're going out in the worst city in the world, Toronto. Okay, guys, listen. This stream has been an hour and a half, and Market Maker has done absolutely nothing. I will keep you guys updated in the Discord. You know the VIP code from yesterday. I will probably make a new video for you today. Actually, not probably. I will. If and when we take the low, am I looking for a retracement or what am I looking for? Well, depends on what low you're referring to. Like, are you referring to the low of this little range? Are you referring to our overall low that we had from that big dump? Right? Are we talking about the bigger range? Like, which low are you referring to? And the answer to the question is to just follow market structure, to be honest with you. I do TA on Bybit, and I open on MEXC. The only reason is truly because, and I've had this question quite a bit, but truly because Jason uses Bybit USDT or Bybit USD perpetual, and when I was learning from him, he said that it works best for him. So that's really the only reason why. I don't even really see how it's that different. Well, I didn't really until we had that massive drop, and like the lows are very different across exchanges. Using that MEXC to trade inverse perp just sucks that you can't hedge trade. Yeah, you can. I hedge trade all the time. Change your settings. Absolutely, you can. Yeah, I do drink, but not so much anymore. Yeah, as soon as I end the stream, we're gonna get the move. But guys, I am gonna head out. I need my voice. I actually got a one-on-one session a little bit later too, so I gotta make sure I lubricate the pipes, if you know what I mean. So if you guys haven't already, please like the stream. If I provided you guys content, you guys know what I do, man. Give me a random emoji in the chat. And guys, Jason joined the chat and he joined the Discord, so please show him some love. I appreciate him and what he's been able to teach me, and I appreciate all of you guys for being here. I will catch you guys in the next stream, and of course I will update you frequently as I do on the Discord. Guys, let's see some random emojis. I'm out.